So now let's learn how to prepare a final account. And for this I have taken a question, and this question is there on the screen. You can see that. Before preparing a final account, we have to identify which of these items will go where. A trial balance is given to you and you have the items given. Now these items have to be put either in profit and loss account, in trading account, profit and loss account, or in the balance sheet. In the previous video we have learned which item will go where. So now let's see. We will first identify this item in the question itself. Okay, so it's identified, you can see on the screen. Anyway, here let's see, machinery will go where. The machinery is an asset that will go to the balance sheet, so you can write on B beside machinery. Land and building is also an asset, will go to the balance sheet. Investment, balance sheet. Bad debts is an expense, profit and loss, so you can write on P. Sanitators, balance sheet B. Purchases is trading account, so T. Stock on 1st April 2018, so this is the opening stock, so opening stock will go to trading account, so put T. Interest is an expense, will go to profit and loss account because this is financial expenses, so put P. Bills payable is a liability, so it will go to balance sheet. Sunny creditors will go to balance sheet. Traveling expenses is an expense, will go to where? Profit and loss account because it's not related to factory. Trade expenses again not related to factory, so go to profit and loss account. Discount, you have two amounts on the debit and on the credit. Credit means income, debit means expenses. So discount allowed and discount received, both will go to profit and loss account. Purchases return, trading account. Sales return, trading account. Bills receivable is an asset, so balance sheet. Capital, balance sheet. Sales, trading account, that means T. Mobile phone bills is official, is an expense, so profit and loss account P. Postage P. Wages, trading account T because it's related to factory. Salaries here means, salaries means office employees are paid salaries, so it is indirect expenses, so will come under profit and loss account. So P. Carriage, nothing is mentioned. It can be carriage inward or carriage outward, and here nothing is mentioned, so we take it as indirect expenses, will go to profit and loss account, so write down P. Now after identifying like this the items, we will put them into trading account, profit and loss account, or balance sheet. Let's get started. Machinery, it is asset side, so we go to the asset side here. Machinery, balance sheet. So values put. Land and building, again it is an item of balance sheet, so land and building 8,60,000. Investments, again item of balance sheet, 70,000. Then you have bad debts, item of profit and loss account. So let's divide into two parts first. You have identified the items for trading account. You can count the number of items. Accordingly, you can leave the space. Okay, so this is the first part and second part. First part is trading account. Second part is profit and loss account. And this bad debts is related to profit and loss account. So leave some space here and write down bad debts. So two bad debts. And the amount is 3,000. Similarly, sundry debtors. So here you have sundry debtors. It is an asset, 40,000. Purchases is an item of trading account. So first item is opening stock. You can write down here to opening stock. We haven't arrived here, so we do not know the amount. Just leave like that. Next is purchases. Purchases amount is given. First to find out purchases return is there or not. Is there, so there is an adjustment. So we'll write this amount in the inner column here. 30900 less purchases, return which is 9850. So we have the net amount 99,950. Right? After that we come to stock on 1st April 2018. So this is the opening stock. So the value is given 23,000. We'll take the value 23,000 here. Interest, it is again item of profit and loss. So here to interest amount is 3500. Bills payable is a liability here. So in short I'm writing bills payable, but in the exams you write the full words. Bills payable 6750. Sundry creditors again is a liability. Sundry creditors 80,000. Traveling expenses, to traveling expenses 700. Trade expenses again here 5,000. Discount here, to discount allowed. There are two amounts. So for the debit amount it is discount allowed 1250, and for credit amount here this side by discount receipt 2625. After discount purchases return, we have already done the adjustment. Sales return, we need to do the adjustment here. So let's write on sales return amount 6775. Bills receivable is an asset here. Bills receivable 2275. Then after that we have capital. Leave some line and write on here capital. There will be some adjustment we don't know. So capital 10,25,000. Then we have sales figure. So here we write the sales figure. It is by, okay, by sales account 3,75,775. Then you have the net amount, that is 3,69,000. After sales you have mobile phone bills. Here to mobile phone bills, it is mentioned office, that is why it's coming to profit and loss account. Postage, again profit and loss account. Then you have wages. Wages will come here 12,000. Then you have salaries. Salaries 51,000. Then you have carriage 2,500, right? Okay. Now if you look at the question there, below the trial balance, the value of closing stock is given to you. Now the item given below the trial balance is are the adjustments. Okay, these adjustments will come in two different places, either in trading account and profit and loss account, or trading account and balance sheet, or profit and loss account and balance sheet, depending on the items given to you. Now this is closing stock. So this closing stock will come in two different places. Once in the trading account here by closing stock, and also as an asset in the balance sheet, closing stock, and the value is 9,000. and here it is 9,000. Okay. Now if we check, now this everything is taken. Now we'll start finding out the gross profit, net profit and the total of the balance sheet, right? Now let's check, now let's find out the total or the gross profit from the trading account. Now the total, I think this side total is heavier. It is 3,78,000. We can see that. So you will have a balancing figure on the credit side. So if you subtract this, you will get, so you will get here 43,050. You get 43,050. So this is to gross profit. Okay, we can write down gross profit, close down or carry down, and this gross profit will come down here. So by gross profit brought down 43,050. The total then here 45,675 is the total on the credit side, but I think this total is heavier, 73,150. That means your debit side total is coming more, so you have net loss, and you have a net loss of 28,475. This will be written as by net loss, and this net loss will be transferred to capital account. Okay, so this net loss will be transferred to capital account, and since this is net loss, so this will be subtracted. So minus net loss, and the amount subtracted amount will be 28,475. You got to subtract and you get a final amount 9,96,525. Now after writing this, we'll take the total of the balance sheet, and the total of the balance sheet comes to 10,83,275. 275. So this is how a final account is prepared. First we prepare the trading account, then we prepare the profit and loss account, and then the balance sheet, right? And the easiest way is to first of all identify the items in the trial balance itself where those items will go, right? Like items going to trading account, write on T, items going to profit and loss account, write on P, and items going to the balance sheet, write on B. And accordingly you put those items in the format, right? Your final account will be complete. Thank you.